This is activity 8 in level 1 electronics. And in this activity, we're going to add a variable resistor to the simple LED circuit we made in activity 6. To see this activity and all the other ones in level 1, visit jb.works and enter the TMT code shown at the bottom of the screen at the search prompt, and you'll be taken to all of the activities at level 1 electronics. In this activity, we're taking the simple LED circuit from activity number 6, and we're taking out the fixed 1K resistor, and we're inserting a variable resistor. So by its very name, a variable resistor varies the resistance as you turn it. So if I turn the resistor clockwise and you watch the LED, it will get brighter. And as I turn it anti-clockwise, it gets dimmer. So when it's getting dimmer, we're introducing more resistance and therefore more resistance to the electrical current that gets to the LED, so it's dimmer. And as we drop the value of resistance, you get more current going to the LED and it gets brighter. For this activity, you're going to need a fully charged JackBord, JackBord top, and 7 short female-female jumper wires. Before we build it, this is the circuit. So first of all, we have 3 volts here, and that corresponds with our 3 volt pins over here. And then we go through jumper number 1 and into the variable resistor. So that's the first jumper, and this is the variable resistor, which by definition is a resistor, except that when you turn the knob, you change its value, you change its resistance. Then we have a jumper going directly over to our white LED, and then from there, a ground jumper going back down to ground. So there's the LED, there's the ground jumper, and here is ground. So essentially you have a complete loop. 3 volts goes into the variable resistor, from the variable resistor to the LED, from the LED back to ground. Now let's build it. Okay, now we're going to build our circuit. So first thing we do is take a yellow jumper and go from the 3 volt power into pin 1 of the variable resistor. Then we take another jumper and go from the center pin or pin 2 of the variable resistor, and we're going to go along to our white LED over here. Then we're finally going to take our ground connection and go from the ground of the LED to the ground on the top. So there we have the circuit. And now as I turn the variable resistor, you can see the brightness of the LED changing. For more information, visit jb.works.